Show us how you master stroke. Now show us how you paint. I can see who was #1 in kindergarten.
Fuck off. Take that camera away. I'm gonna lose it here.
Soak in that beautiful colour.
No, you have to get it in the afternoon, Tony.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Well, we'll get it in the morning so they can see what it's like. The sun's, see the sun's up there? Whoa!
Hey, Stubbo. Yeah. Not only does it take films now, it's fucking got commentary.
Oh, he always has commentary.
Hello, Noddy.
Hello.
Say hello to everybody in Ireland.
What a step.
Showing. That's, to me, fucking perfect.
The Apprentice is fucked up again.
Bigs.
Give me a chance to fix mine.
How can you fix it with about fucking 3 mils too big?
Serious discussion here about a major fuck up. There's the major fucker-upper himself. Is this where you fuck the beach and grab one?
Anyway, lad, 6 the other day. We'll see how long it takes us this time.
Pick up the Maggies.
Can't keep up with them. Sooner or later.
There's about 20 of them, is there?
Just when you're ready.
Why don't they, oh yeah, they just get their bearings to that.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you think they'd be the same ones that were here the other day? They know where they're going.
Oh, Tony,
You think they'd have a pathfinder there somewhere?
They always go anti-clockwise or clockwise?
No, I noticed they switched around there before.
Yeah.
Well, that's clockwise at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah. First one they went.
Takes them a while. They stay low like that. And then they just fucking disappear, don't
Staying under the radar, see?
they? Yeah. There they go.
Oh, there's the heading up.
Everybody's concentrating on the pigeons.
No, they're still going, Tony. You missed the pigeons, man.
Oh, bugger them.
They'll be right. They'll find their way.
What about the one we let off half an hour ago? You think it'll get there early? So what's your opinion of world peace, Mr. Stubbo?
Fuck world peace.
I'm just a low-down carpenter, he says. I haven't finished, I didn't even finish grade 10.